Dear Cheri, what kind of marijuana is best to use for making topicals? Is flowers best or concentrates? What about things like trimmings? Can those be used to make topicals? I know they can be used to make edibles. Any thoughts on this? Thank you. Well, that's a great question, and the short answer is you can use all kind of marijuana to make topicals. Before I get to the longer answer, though, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. And if you get value out of my videos, please do me a favor and hit that like button too, because it helps us to get seen in the YouTube algorithms. By the way, if you like my 419 Got a Minute shirt, it's available on my website. There'll be a link in the comments below, and there's also some other fun cannabis inspired designs there too. Okay, back to the question, what type of cannabis to use to make topicals? Well, I would use whatever you have on hand, what you can use, because anything will work, much like making edibles. Much like making edibles, though, you don't need top shelf cannabis to make topicals. That would kind of be a waste of those beautiful fragrant nugs because they are going to be infused and cooked down. So you can use flowers. Yes, absolutely. Can you use trimmings? Yes, absolutely. Trimmings, if you're a cannabis grower, topicals and edibles are great uses to use your trimmings up. Yes, you can also use concentrates. That means hash oils, FICO, RSO, resin, rosin, all of those things can be infused into oil. And that's usually what we're doing when we are making topicals. We're infusing cannabis into an oil, a carrier oil, and there are all kind of different carrier oils, and then that is used to make the topical. Now, as I said, there's lots of different carrier oils and essential oils and other things you can use to doctor up your cannabis topicals in all kind of great ways. That's why I have a complete DIY cannabis topicals online course that teaches you how to make all kind of topicals. In fact, everything that you see in the photo here and a whole lot more. I'm going to put a coupon code for that course in the comments below too. But you can use all kind of cannabis to make any of these topicals, be it flowers, be it trimmings, be it concentrates. All of them can make quality topical products. I'm also going to put in the comments below a couple links to some free topicals tutorials that I have on my website that you should check out. But when it comes to what is best, none of them are best. They all will work to put in the dose that you need. And that's where it gets a little trickier or a little more involved when it comes to making topicals, but any type of cannabis can be used to achieve the dosages you need. So I hope this helps, and I'll see you all next time.